So from this to this, if you want to preserve your car and not look like that again, check out guys Manicci luxurious floor mats. Let's go ahead and install them now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys for any of you looking for some of the best luxury diamond stitching floor formats guys on the market. We're talking about Manicci luxurious guys auto styling formats. Amazing quality formats. Stay with us, we're going to put them to the test. We will install them on that BMW here. That's a very rare BMW wagon for the US here. We want to preserve our interior. We will see how they fit, our recommendations, but in my opinion guys, we installed multiple things of those. There is nothing to compare with the cheap Chinese formats. The feeling is amazing, they're thick, the stitching feels really good quality, everything feels well made, it feels luxurious guys. That's on the back side with you can see moving parts with locking parts, everything is right here. So let's go ahead, install them. But before we do that, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car guys we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We guys take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you need to get those luxurious formats, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from for any car, any make, any model. So let's start on it now. So now guys, having the old-fashioned format just doesn't do the thing guys, because you spill coffee and check what's happening now guys. Okay, you want formats that can protect your carpet, your car all the way. What we're talking about now guys, we're talking about the Manicci formats right here. So let us show you now. We're going to go ahead, install them, their exact fit for your car. You just put your make, model, year, okay, configuration, and you get the formats guys, okay, that you need. You have the locking plates right here that you're going to turn, okay, so it can go under the trim piece. That way, okay, they're not going to move anywhere, and you can guys, okay, easily install them. Okay, check this thing out. So they go up and they do not slide. And even if you spill something, that's like a 3D pen right here, it's not going to leak out. And it took us only just a few minutes guys to transform the back of that BMW into a brand new looking BMW again. So you can see guys, okay, how terrible that thing is, right? You want to avoid that, okay, you want to avoid that. So how you do that? You get those formats, because they will protect everything. We bought the car used, we're in the process of restoring this one, but these formats will definitely give it that fresh look. Okay, we're going to go ahead, install that one, the rest of the car, and we will see what they look like. But you can see you have the locking plate, so it secures everything. That way they do not move. Okay, they do not bunch up, so everything is super nice and tight, which makes it very convenient guys. Okay, not like cheap looking formats. Here is, they actually make the formats for those as well with Velcro, so they do not move. And check out, okay, how good it feels, how good, okay, everything is. So simply guys, amazing. So we guys installed the front one as well, and we want to show you, okay, the quality of these formats. You can see how everything fits super tight. Okay, everything is nice around the pedals. Okay, there is no loose spots. Everything is just simply amazing guys, and it doesn't move. Even if you spill something, it will stay here. Okay, so we can wipe it. You have the side piece right here that protects the carpet on the side, so it's practically guys 360-degree protection right here. Amazing product, amazing, that we'll definitely recommend it. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get it from. Check out, they have for your car. I'm pretty sure guys they build formats for almost any car, make, model and year. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.